Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I help business owners, entrepreneurs, and consultants with taxes, bookkeeping, finances, and last but not least is your mindset. Because I think your mindset is one of the biggest obstacles you can confront, right? So, here we go, guys. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 5 common business mistakes you can avoid with your taxes. If you want to avoid making these mistakes, then this video is just for you. Now, if you want to learn how to avoid these mistakes, then keep watching. Now, mistake number 1 of the 5 common business mistakes you can avoid with your taxes is not having a strategic plan in place for your business or for your life, right? If you ever go to the bank, they always ask you for a business plan. So, this is basically what we're talking about here. A strategic plan for your business with your taxes, with your revenue, with your profit, whatever it is you want to accomplish in your business, okay? Now, the reason why I say that you need a strategic plan in place is because looking at a plan, you will realize what's working, what's not working, and then finally figure out what works and what doesn't, right? So that's one of the reasons why you need such a great strategic plan that will help you get to your goals in your business, right? Now, moving on to mistake number 2, okay? Mistake number 2 of the 5 common business mistakes you can avoid with your taxes is you hire a generalist instead of hiring a specialist, right? So when you're looking for let's say a tax firm, right? You're looking for someone to prepare your taxes for your business. You can't just go to a regular tax preparer that is just going to focus on preparing your taxes. They're not going to look at strategic ways to help you save more money on your taxes because they're not a specialist in your industry. So I always say look for a specialist in your industry that's going to help you get to your goals, right? So we all don't want to pay extra taxes, right? When you hear that story about Amazon not paying any taxes, well, there's a reason. They had strategic tax preparers in behind them that would help them get to their goals, okay? Now, before I move on to the next mistake, if you want to learn more about strategies, then make sure you click the link below in my description box and the comment section because I have a free ebook that will dive deep onto what strategies could save you thousands of dollars. Now, this ebook will guide you through 9 strategies that you can take advantage of. Again, make sure to click the link below. Now, with that out of the way, let's move on to mistake number 3 on the 5 common business mistakes you can avoid with your time. Now, I think a lot of times we want to do everything in our business, be the administrator, be the CEO, do the sales, do the marketing, do, all of the administrative work, the calls, talking to the clients, everything like that. And at the end of the day, what happens is that we put ourselves in a tight position to be able to grow our business because we're the only ones doing everything, right? So I have found with my clients is that when they hire a contractor, it could be for just 10 hours or 15 hours a week, not too much. I would prefer to sacrifice my pay, right, for the 15 hours and pay someone else to do the work instead of me killing myself to do everything. Tell us this little key part that's so important for us to grow and not be bottlenecked into this bottle where you can't grow because you can't do more than you can, right? We're all human. We all want to sleep 8 hours. We, want to exercise, want to take care of our family, all of those things, right? So that was my little tangent on that mistake. Now, for mistake number 4 on the 5 common business mistakes you can avoid with your taxes is paying too much to your taxes. And that could be due to not knowing like what type of deductions you can take in your business, like of course being a new business owner, you can take 20% of the gross in your business, and that 20% of that gross wouldn't be taxed because it's considered a business expense. Okay. So that's just one little strategic area that you can take advantage of, right? Your first startup cost, the $5,000, the first startup cost, those would be a tax deduction as well. So there's just so many strategies that you can take advantage of. So those are just a few. Now, the next mistake, which is mistake number 5 on the 5 common business mistakes you can avoid with your taxes, is trying to find the cheapest tax firm instead of looking for the firm that brings you the most value, the one that saves you the most money in your business. I think that's a key important factor in looking for a firm that will help you in your business, right? I think the biggest expense that most business owners have are taxes. So make sure, guys, that you are paying attention to these things. Make sure you hire a qualified firm that specializes in your industry and that will help you save the most money in your taxes. Okay? Now, at this point in the video, you've learned 5 common business mistakes you can avoid with your taxes. Now, while you wait for the next video for next week, I put out videos about business, entrepreneurship, finances, taxes, bookkeeping, and mindset. So make sure to watch these 2 videos right here, okay? And I appreciate you guys, and I really thank you so much for watching my video. If you found this useful, please make sure to leave a comment down below. Next week, have an awesome rest of the week. Bye, guys.